welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. On today's video, this is an unboxing of my February Boxycharm. So I'm going to show you guys what I have inside and maybe try on some of them. Okay, time to unbox it. I'm just taking this little razor. It says hello charmers. Oh, cool. So this is the theme of this month's Boxycharm for the February, the month of February. So it's Afterglow. And it have the products and the prices on the back. I'll make sure I leave that in the description below. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so this first one is the No Poreblem Primer by In Touch Soul. So this is the primer, and I heard it's pretty cool. Let me try it on my hand. Ooh, put too much. Oh, okay. Feels like a moisturizing base primer. Feels really good and smooth on the skin. So I will most definitely be using this one. And it smells like a lotion. It kind of smells like a baby lotion. It smells so good. So the In Touch Soul primer, it retails for $18. So it says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Soul No Poreblem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles. Cool. Giving your skin a soft velvet feel. That is cool. So the next one, Trestique. This, so it's the Trestique Prime Glaze Lip Crayon. Cool. And that retails for $25. So let's see what color. So the primer is inside. Let's see. And this is the bottle, not the bottle. This is the little tube it comes in. So this is the lipstick, which is a pretty color. Yes, a pretty color. And I guess the primer is inside of it. No. It's a primer inside. I don't know, let's figure it out. My hand's slippery. Oh, here it is. So here's the primer. So you put on the primer first. Put on the primer first, and then the lipstick. Okay, I get it. So usually when you prime your lips first, it helps to last all day. So I guess that's what they're going for. Oh, there's a little magnet. Y'all see that? When you close it, it's a magnet. That is so cool. Okay. The next one is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara retails for $24. Cool, cool. So, and it feels, bottle feels kind of heavy. Not heavy, but you can tell it's not like the thin plastic material. It's made out of good material. And I like the color. It's a pretty color. And this is the brush. Yeah. So I will most definitely be using this mascara. The next item is Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser, and this retails for $22. It says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use. So that's cool. I'll most definitely be using this. Follow me and my clients. And the last item in the box is the pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Ooh, I got to try this on. And this retails for $32. Look at the package, it's so pretty. Okay, let's open it and swatch it. How do you open it? Okay. So, swatch. I still got the lipstick on my hand. Oh, that's pretty. So swatch it right here. It's like pretty. It's a pretty highlighter, so I will most definitely be using that too. Looks like it got like a little hint, just a little hint of rose gold in it. Like a, I can't explain. Like a peachy nude type with a hint of rose gold in it. It's pretty. So those are all the items that I received in my February's Boxycharm. So these are all the items, and I'll make sure I put in the description below what they retail for. I pay $21 a month for the box, and every 3 months I pay an extra $28 for the Boxy Lux. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next video. Be blessed. Bye.